Maria will have a beautiful little baby. Little baby bird. Yeah. Oh, we love the birdie. You're gonna love this baby. Very beautiful, huh? Yeah. And as you can tell, this is a real young one, and when it gets older, gets its adult feathers, it'll probably be bright red up here around the head area. Bright red and bright yellow. So beautiful. Yeah. Oh, so sweet. And my sweet girl. If you're a girl, I don't know. All I know is you're very sweet. Yes, you are. Come to me. Oh, good girl. I don't know if it's a girl. Good birdie. Oh, baby. Oh, I can feel you trembling. Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. We love the birdie. Yes, we do. You love a birdie. And this bird is a master at escape, so gonna have to wire down, pin down doors and what have you. Yep, the pretty smart bird. Yes, it is. You are so sweet. I would like a bird just like you. I would. You are precious. You're a precious birdie. You're a precious birdie. Yeah. You're my baby. You are so sweet. Oh, she's trembling, but that's just normal. Yeah, she's got herself under control though. That's usually when they want to take out, when they tremble a little bit. So she's doing real well. Yeah, baby. So Maria, really pretty bird. You have to send some pictures when it changes colors. Okay, probably, let me see, what else can we do with this bird? What can we do? Just show out how pretty and sweet you are. You step up. Good. Look at you. Aren't you smart? Aren't you the smartest? Yes, you're such a good girl. She says, I am very well behaved. Okay, step up. Aww. So, she does get out of her cage and goes hiding somewhere. She'll come out. When she hears things are quiet, she'll come out. Yes. She's like a cat burglar. She knows how to pick locks. He's a baby bird. She just loves to be up on her shoulder. Yeah, I mean, she's been up, she's been on my shoulder most of the day, actually. We've just been putzing around together, enjoying our day. Yes. And she is soft as satin. Soft and smooth and warm and oh, she's so nice. Okay, we'll do a little upside down shot with her. We'll put her on her back and show her underbelly, do her little feetsies. See? It's like a little rocking, not a rocking chair, but like a, what do you call, swing? Yeah, a little baby swing. I wish I had a little tiny quilt to put up around her neck so she looked even cuter. Maria, here's your baby. Okay, here you go, sweetie. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Here you go. Good birdie. Oh, my finger's making her feel a little more secure. But let me see if I can pull the finger out. My baby. Oh, that's a good birdie. No. Yeah, sweetie. Yes, you look so sweet. Yeah. You're going to make some people happy. Yes, you are. You're precious. You're a precious baby. Oh, sorry. I'm going to scare you there. Yeah, you're a baby bird. You're a sweet birdie. You're a baby. Yeah, she got the red on her tail. Wait until she gets her colors in. She's going to be even prettier. Now she's kind of like rosy. Get the